what is mode and how is it calculated? Out of all the observations, it is that observation which is occurring most often, means maximum number of times the observation that is repeated is known as the mode of the given data. For example, if this is the question and you have to find the mode, first of all you will arrange this data in increasing order. Even if you don't arrange, you can directly tell the answer, but to be more accurate with the answers and reduce the chances of being wrong, what you can do is you can actually write it in increasing order. That would be 1, 1, 1. The next is 2, 2, 2, 2. After that we have 3 and 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 observations, and here also we have written down the 10 observations. Now out of these observations you can clearly see which is the maximum repeated observation, that is 2. So we write mode equal to 2. Clear? The next question. Over here the data is already written in the form of increasing order, so we can write directly the mode to be equal to, okay, now let us check. There are 3 5s, 2 3s and 3 2s, and we do have 2 6s also. So here we can see that number of 5s and number of 2s are 3. That means these are the maximum repeated values. So this has 2 modes, mode 2 and 5. Understood? You can have more than one mode also in a question like this. What about if you have, see over here you had very less number of data. Say you had some 10-15 number of datas only. But what happens if you have such a large data? The question is saying following are the margins of victory in a football match of a league. Now the margins of victory in the football matches have been given. In the first match they won by 1 margin. In the second match they won by 3 margin. Third match they win by 2, and so on. So for all this data, how would you be able to calculate mode? For such values you have to make the table as we have been doing, because for larger data and the analysis to be done for the larger data you need to represent it in a tabular format. So for the tabular format I have taken margins of victory on one side. That means I have written down all the data in increasing order. The next I have is the tally marks, and the last column will be of frequency, or you can say number of matches, right? Now let us do that. For the first one, the tally marks for the margin of victory 1. So how many ones? Let us write 1, next is 3, next is 2, after that 5, 1 again, 4, 6, 2, 5, 2, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, again 1, 2, 3, 2, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, 3, 2, 3, here this one, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2. Now let us count them together to get the frequencies. For margin of victory 1, what is the frequency? It would be 5 plus 4, that makes 9. This is 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. This is 5 plus 2, 7. This is 5, 3, and last one is 2. So how many total number of matches were played? They were added up total to get 40. So that means you have 40 matches played. Now the question was about finding mode. Now how is the mode found? I told you mode is that observation which has occurred maximum number of times. Now we know the term frequency represents maximum the number of times value is repeated. So over here these are the frequencies. Which is the maximum frequency? It is 14. That means the margin of victory 2 is repeated maximum number of times. That means what is the mode of this question? The mode of this question will be equal to 2. The observation that is repeated maximum number of times is known as the mode.